everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have an extra video for you guys this week. I am so excited to tell you guys about this and to let you in on how I've been able to gain so much success already in my business in 2018 and sort of what I've been working on, who I've been working with over the course of the holidays. If you are a coach or consultant with 100% online business and maybe you're wanting to start but you don't know where to begin, how to get your first few clients, or maybe you have your business but you're wanting to see more success and you don't know where to take it in the future, this video is for you guys and I'm going to let you in on my secret weapon. So a few months ago, I decided to invest in myself and my business, and I hired a business coach who specializes in social media to help get my business to the next level that I wanted it to be. I've known I wanted to start a course for a while. I just didn't know where to begin. Ursula, who is my business coach and can help you all with your businesses, she came in and laid it out, and within the first few calls, like, we were already starting on my course. She helped me find clarity in my business with, a better mission statement, better ways to use my voice as the CEO, as the creator. She also taught me how to make a sales call, which I had never done before in my life, but that was the way I was connecting with future clients. I was giving them sales calls basically, and she helped me do that without feeling salesy, like a salesperson that no one really likes to listen to. And how to use my social media and my following to sign up clients that I really wanted to work with and that would be a great fit for Hannah Ashton content. It's actually insane how fast we put this together and how fast my dream of having a course with my business has come true. I remember in one of, I think it was like our second call or in the beginning, we were outlining the course and I was like, okay, so I have a new website launching in January. Do you think we could have this course done by then? And she was like, oh girl, we're gonna get this course set up for you in the next few weeks. I can't remember the exact timeline, but she said you're gonna have your first client in the next few weeks. So I was like, okay, I don't know how that's gonna happen, but let's just do this thing. And she took me step by step and we got the course, a great quality course, and my first few clients signed up within my first few months of working with her. I now have the belief that everyone needs a coach or a mentor in their life. Just like I give coaching for women about YouTube channels, Ursula gives coaching to me as the business owner. Having a coach in that field just gives you added confidence and gives you an added step to reaching more success. The great thing about working with Ursula is you don't have to have a huge following to start out with. She works and caters her course to you and the following that you currently have. It's all about working with your current following on Instagram, YouTube, or wherever else, and that's exactly what Ursula teaches you to do. Within the first few months of working with Ursula, I've already signed up my first 4 clients for my 6-week YouTube course. She also gave me that inside look into like my prices and my website that I really needed from someone outside of, myself or my team. With her new strategy and with her new help, I have now, with these 4 new clients, have made doubled what I've made in the previous year of Hannah Ashton content. I'm so thankful for that, and she's just shown me the true potential of what I'm worth and what my business is worth. She guided me every step of the way, answering my questions, and has now helped me create a course for my business that I absolutely love, and I'm so excited to use this course to help benefit other women's lives as well. And today I wanted to film this video to let you guys know that by working with Ursula, you can create that business and that dream that you've always had, because you have your own unique talents and gifts that could better this world. And Ursula just helps to bring that out and to create it into a business. So whether you're a business, health, lifestyle coach, or any kind of online consultant, I highly recommend you checking out the application to work with Ursula below and see if you two are a good fit to work together. However, she does ask only apply if you are super serious about starting this online business, because even though she's amazing at giving you the steps needed to reach wherever you want to go, it's still you who has to put in the work and have the motivation to, follow the steps. The link will take you to answer a few questions so Ursula can qualify you. Once she does, she will reach out to you to set up a brief call with you to find out if you are a good fit for her program. Again, I want to thank Ursula for working with me and allowing me to reach so many other women with creating the YouTube channel of their dreams. I'm so excited for my course to start, and I want the same success for you and your businesses and all your dreams. So that is it for this video. Alright, thank you all so much, and I will see you Wednesday for my next video. I love you guys so much. Stay happy. Bye. Peace out.